Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today, I'm going to show you guys all of my homemade squishies. The first squishy is this panda squishy.
I see you make country Christmas, country music award Christmas.
I also have this chocolate chip cookie that has a bite taken out of it. I also have this panda toast. It's pretty squishy. Here is the apple squishy. It's pretty squishy too. I also have this Kuma squishy. And in this video, I will also be showing you what I paint my squishies with. And this square bun, panda squishy. Okay, so what I paint my squishies with is I paint it with this extreme blue nail polish and this pink Style Me Up nail polish and this really light baby blue Style Me Up nail polish too, and this purple Color Craze nail polish, and that's what I decorate my squishies with. Oh, sorry. Here's the last squishy, and it is this panda squishy. And it's pretty squishy as usual. So when I have squishies, I just literally want to stack them all up. 2, 6, and 3, and 3. So when I have squishies, I just literally want to put them all in my hands like that. When I have squishies, I just literally want to put them all in my hand like that and just squish it. But yeah, just so you know, all these are homemade. And yeah, if you guys want to get some for $1 for all of these, it's $1 for squishy on Amazon, because I'm selling some squishies on Amazon. And yeah, so if you guys want to buy some, it is only $1 on Amazon and $8.08 on Amazon. So if you'd like to buy some, you can go on Amazon and Google homemade squishies for $1.08. And yeah, these squishies will pop up and you can get as many as you want. And if I ever run out of squishies, all I can do is just make more, because these are really easy to make. And they're really squishy too. And I'm also going to be making a homemade vending machine. So yeah, bye guys.